So today I thought it might be fun to talk about what we pack when we go to Disney World. So we do pack differently for Disney World than we do for other vacations. Why? Because this is a time when you can go Disney crazy. You can dress head to toe Mickey Mouse and nobody's going to say a word about it. In fact, the scarf I have on is from Disney World. So what better place to wear it than to a nice dinner while I'm at Disney World? But there's lots of fun, interesting little things we pack when we go to Disney. So one of the things we do is hair color. So I usually pack a couple of types of hair color. We're leaving tomorrow for Disney. I'm taking blue and pink. And then I also am taking hair glitter. So we'll have glitter in our hair. Now if we have any type of like fun Disney-ish things we can wear, like this goofy pirate hat, then I'll take it because you never know. We might wear it, we might not. I actually have a little clutch, so when I go out to a nice dinner, I have a Disney-themed clutch that I take. And again, I don't really use this anywhere else, but when I go to Disney World or Disneyland or Disney Cruise, like anytime I do anything Disney, I take it. If you have any Mickey ears that you've gotten over the years, you can take them. I have some that say, "I'm a Disney mom." So they're super fun. Of course, you got to get some magic bands. So I highly recommend you get them customized before you go. You pick out your color, and then like these are Eden's. So on the back it says Eden, so she knows it's her band. But we all chose a different color this year, so it wouldn't have mattered if our names weren't on them, but it's a good way to keep them straight. Now, one thing that's fun to do with your magic bands is to customize them even further. So you can pick a color, or you can take you can buy these little embellishments. So these are Star Wars themed, and I got them for Jonah. And you can just clip them right onto your band. And then you can decorate them. So I thought those were super fun. Then of course, if you don't have a Disney hat, you can still get yourself some ears. So Eden and I have matching ears, and we do the matching t-shirts, and we'll wear our ears. We have matching Minnie Mouse, red Minnie Mouse shirts. And I know like some people think it's goofy to wear matching clothes to Disney, but actually it's super handy because there are a lot of people there and you want to be able to spot your group easily. If you have Disney jewelry, this is definitely the time to wear it. We've got a couple of different Disney jewelry items that I think are fun. And then last but not least, we take our lanyards so that we can pin trade. And so Eden and I are going to pin trade this week while we're at Disney. So we've got our Disney lanyards with our Disney pins. So everyone on cast has to pin trade with you. Everybody's wearing a lanyard, and you can go up and say, "Hey, can I see your pins?" And you can trade for a pin. But you cannot, I was thinking, oh, I have all these random pins for whatever reason. Wouldn't it be cool if I could trade them for Disney pins I wanted? But they have to be Disney pins in order to trade for different Disney pins. So I recommend getting on Amazon or eBay and buying a bunch of like, you can get a bunch of pins for a couple bucks, and then you can just trade out and look for ones that you want. So for me, I grew up on the Muppets, so I was so excited when I found these. I've got the Swedish Chef and Beaker. Isn't that fun? So anyway, so these are just a few of the items we take to Disney.